Hello friends, welcome you all in today's session. Today's topic that is diseases of crucifers. So let's see in detail. First one, outline. What points we are going to see during this lecture. Introduction. Cruciferous veggies are a diverse group containing broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels, radish, turnip, etc. Family Brassicaceae. There are low calorie These are low calorie foods rich in vitamin C, E, and K, and also fiber. So, included in the weight loss diet. So, what are different diseases which attacks on cruciferous? How to identify them? That is symptom, which pathogen entity is responsible for causing the disease, and in which form the structures survive. And last one, that is management, and next, that is conclusion. So let's see one by one. First disease, black rot. It is caused by a bacterium, that is Xanthomonas campestris, pathover campestris. Let's see symptom. In the diagram or picture, you can clearly see the symptoms. Let's see in the detail. On foliage, typical V-shaped yellow spot rise along the margin and further extend. Later, veins become black, leading to blackening of vascular bundles. Typical V-shaped patch, it is important symptom of this disease. Let's see disease cycle. Rain favors the disease development of bacterial disease. Then the relative humidity, that is around 80 to 100%, and temperature, warm temperature, that is around 27 to 30 degrees Celsius, favors the disease development. The pathogen, it survives in the seed and plant debris. And primary infection, it occurs through the wounds or the natural openings like stomata, hadathors on the plant. It develops symptom, that is yellow V-shaped spots along the margin. And secondary infection, it occurs through the splashing rain and wind. Regarding pathogen, the bacteria, it is a rod shaped and it is having a single polar flagellum, so it is called as a monotrichous, and it is a gram negative bacteria. Next part, that is management. Follow the seed treatment with antibiotic, that is aureomycin, concentration 1000 ppm for 30 minutes. Then drenching the soil with 0.5% formaldehyde solution. Next, that is hot water treatment, that is for 20 to 25 minutes. Then application of bleaching powder to soil at the rate 10 kg per hectare. Next disease, that is Alternaria leaf spot. Alternaria brassicae and Alternaria brassicola in case of crucifers, particularly cabbage, cauliflower, and Alternaria raffani in case of radish. The disease is caused by a fungus. In the picture, you can clearly see the symptom. Let's see in detail. Pathogen attacks on petiole, leaf, stem, seed pods. The leaf spot, these are initially small, later become circular, yellow to brownish. They appear in the concentric rings, particularly in the humid weather. These are the typical symptoms. In case of etiology, the conidiophore, these are erect, simple, they give rise to conidia, which are shown in the picture. And these are cylindrical, muriform. Muriforms means both transverse and longitudinal septa are found in this typical conidia. Then constriction, it is found at the septa, and these conidia, these are pale brown in color. Next part, that is management. Since pathogen, it's surviving in the soil, so go for crop rotation. It helps to reduce the inoculum. Use clean and healthy seed. Then go for hot water treatment, that is around 50 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Then go for some copper based fungicides, that is COC, copper oxychloride, at the rate 0.5%, Captain at the rate 0.2%. Next crop, that is ginger. In this, only one disease is mentioned in your syllabus, that is soft rot. Let's see introduction, then what are different diseases which attacks, how to identify it, how to manage it. Regarding introduction, ginger, it is grown for its aromatic, pungent and spicy rhizomes. It contains gingerol with powerful medicinal properties, and all of you must be fond of ginger tea. So let's see the diseases. Disease, that is soft rot, which is also called as rhizome rot, caused by pathogen fungus Pythium aphanidermatum or Pythium vexans or Pythium myriotylum. Let's see symptoms. The pathogen infects at the collar region of the pseudostem and then progress upwards and downward region, and becomes initially become water soaked, and the rotting it spreads and resulting in the soft rot. In case of leaves, light yellowing, drooping, withering and drying of pseudostem are observed. Disease cycle. In case of disease cycle, waterlogging condition, high soil moisture, then nematode population and young rhizomes. These conditions are favorable for the disease development. The pathogen, it survives in the soil and seed in the form of chlamydospores and oospores. And it develops the symptom, that is yellowing of leaves and soft rot of rhizome. And the secondary infection, it occurs through the sporangia by splashing rain and wind. And the temperature it requires, that is warm temperature above 30 degrees Celsius. Next part, that is management. In case of management, using of well drained soil, selection, use of healthy rhizome for planting, then treat the rhizome with mancozeb at the rate 0.3% for 30 minutes before the storage. So let's sum up. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to gain knowledge regarding diseases of crucifers like black rot, alternaria leaf spot, and diseases of ginger like soft rot or rhizome rot. Thank you. Take care.